sun into a glass. Let the moment slowly pass. Drops of joy from fruit so sweet. Life simple, pleasure we repeat. Heal the day with gentle hands. Nature's nectar understands. Sip the colors, taste the glow. Homemade magic starts to show. Treasure kitchen love so pure. Every flavor feels secure. Crafting care with every pour. Homemade juice is so much more. From orchard dreams to kitchen light, every drop feels just so right. Blended whisper stories told, in each glass a liquid